How's it going, everyone? This is DJ. Welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to install the latest version of Diggz Xenon build for Kodi 21.2 Omega. Now, if you're not familiar with Diggz, it's one of the top rated and most used Kodi builds out there, and it offers different types of builds that will suit anybody's needs. In this video, we will be installing the free version since that's what most people are looking for. So without any further ado, grab your remote and let's get right to it. Alright, so now before we begin, I assume that you already have Kodi installed. If you don't, I will put a link in the description below, or you can just click on the top right corner here and follow my video on how to install Kodi. And once you're done with that, then you can just continue from here. Alright, now the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go to the gear icon on the top here. You're going to click on it. In here, we're going to scroll down to System. Select that. Scroll down to Add-ons. Go to the right side over here, and then go down where it says Unknown Sources. Click on there. And in here, just click on Yes. And I'll press the back button once. In here, we're going to go to File Manager. We're going to click on there. And scroll down where it says Add Source. Click on there. Now where it says None, it's already highlighted. You're going to click on it. And in here, we're going to type in the following URL. Now, before you press OK, just double check the URL that you typed in, make sure it's correct. If this URL does not work for you for some reason, you can try this other one that I have posted on the screen here. And once you're done, just click OK. And as you can see already on the media source over here, I already put a name. So all you got to do is press OK over here, or you can just change the name if you want it and then press OK. Now you're going to press the back button once. Here we're going to go to Add-ons, click on there. Scroll down to Install from zip file, select that. And go down to Diggz over here, the zip file. Unless you named it something else, go to that, click on it, and select Repository. Click on there. You're going to get a pop-up here. Alright, add-on installed. Now we're going to go up one where it says Install from Repository. Click on there. Scroll down to Diggz Repository. Click there. And we're going to go down to Program Add-ons. Click on there. And we're looking for Chef Omega Wizard. First one right here. You're going to click on it. We're going to click on Install here. You're going to get a pop-up. And then one more. There we go. Press OK. And then we're going to get another pop-up over here, which is asking us if we would like to install a build right now. We're going to click on Yes. And in here, we're going to select Diggz Xenon Free. Now these two, they're both the same, but this one requires a premium account. We're going to focus on the free one over here. If for some reason this link doesn't work for you, you can use the second one over here. So we're going to click on Diggz Xenon Free first one. And in here, we're going to click on Continue. We're just going to wait till it downloads the build. Now it depends on your internet speed. This shouldn't take too long. As you can see, it's moving along fast. And it's almost there. And now it's going to delete the files and folders and start installing the other one. I'm going to fast forward this part. And the installation part is done. So it's telling you to click OK to force close Kodi. So we're going to do that. It's going to bring you back to your home screen over here. And now all you got to do is click on Kodi again. Now, I can't stress this enough, especially on the first time that it boots up. You want to give it a few minutes over here. Even though you're going to notice that it shows like nothing's going on, there's a lot of things going on in the background. You need to wait till it starts updating all the add-ons, the repositories that it needs to update over here. I recommend waiting 3-4 minutes, maybe even 5 minutes until everything completes. As you can see now, you start getting the updates on the bottom right corner. And then once this is done, now this is completely normal, even though if it crashed on you, all you gotta do is click on Kodi again. It's gonna launch and continue from there again. All right, I think that should cover pretty much everything. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment section below, and I will answer everybody's question as soon as possible. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up. It does let YouTube know you like what I do here, and it does help my channel grow. Thank you for watching. This is DJ. Till next time.